Alright folks, here it is. Hey Chanel, what are you doing? Oh look, she already got the window nice and dirty. So, 2014 Freightliner Cascadia Evolution from Lone Mountain Truck Leasing. I just took delivery, and I'm going to go over here in the next few minutes what it was like coming back and picking up this one. It's got 10 brand new tires. I wasn't entirely pleased with the front tires, but I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna put the Roadmasters on. Let's see how they do. There you go, hop in the back, go on now. Yeah, go, get in the back, the other way. Good girl, I know you're nervous. Go on, the other way. There you go. Go the other way, go on. There you go. You gotta go, baby. Get. There you go. Very good, very good. All right.